Assalamualaikum. I am Fariha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. Hope you are enjoying my lessons. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is comparing two or more objects in terms of numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare two or more than two group of objects in terms of numbers, and you are going to write more than and less than to identify the number of objects in two groups. Three groups study. Very good. Because we have already done the groups 1 and 2. We have done the comparison of the group A and B, that is, we have done the comparison of two groups. Now we are going to compare three groups, okay? So the first thing what we are going to do, any idea? Okay, no problem, I am here to help you out. When we are going to compare three groups, we are going to do the same process as we did in the comparing of two groups. Very good. First we are going to compare first two groups, then finally we are going to compare, we are going to do the last with the third one. Is it clear? Okay, let's do an example so the concept will be more clear to you guys. So, one more example, here it goes. Okay, suppose we have in group A, the monkeys are, yes, three monkeys over here. And in group B, how many monkeys are here? Very good. In group B, we have two monkeys. So, what we are going to do? Which symbol will come over here? Very good. Because we are unable to change if in the question will come like this. Suppose this example is over here. In group A, the monkeys are 3, and in group B, the monkeys are 2. We will write the symbol, this symbol, that is, you can see on your screen as well, this symbol, which is greater than symbol. Because in group A, we have number 3, which is greater than the number 2. So this symbol will come over here. Okay, so remember this symbol, that is in between 2 and 3 we are going to write this symbol, and we will say that number 2 is greater than number 3. Clear? So right now we have done comparison of two groups. Now what about this third one? Don't worry, we are going to compare the group B and the group C now. Clear? So first of all we have done the comparison of group A and B. Now we are going to compare group B and C together. So, in group B we have how many objects? Very good. In group B we have two monkeys. Now, in group C we have 5 monkeys here. By comparing group B and C, yes, by comparing, we know that the number 2 is here and number 5 is here, because B is here and C is here. So which symbol will come? Just remember the example of hungry crocodile. So that hungry crocodile is going to eat the bigger number, and which number is bigger over here? Number 5 is bigger over here. Okay, so this symbol will come over here instead. Okay, so 2 is less than, because the back is over here towards 2. So we will say that 2 is less than the number 5. Okay. So we are going to write this symbol over here. The direction of the mouth will be same as I told you, the direction of the hungry crocodile, open mouth. So we are going to write these three groups like this, and you can just check out the symbols, and the open mouth of the hungry crocodile is just like these two symbols, which is greater than symbol and less than symbol. Okay, I hope the concept of comparison of two groups and comparison of three groups is more clear to you now. Well, my students, let's do another example for more practice. Now you just check out in group A how many ducks are here. Yes, we have 10 ducks. And in group B, how many ducks are here? Yes, there are 12 ducks. Very good. Please tell me now, in group C, how many ducks are here? Yes, excellent, fantastic. 7 ducks are here. We write the symbol here. Which symbol will come over here? Okay, no worries. We are going to compare the first two groups first, that is A and B first. For you know that in group A we have 10 and in group B we have 12 ducks. So what we are going to write over here, which symbol will come in between? As the hungry crocodile is going to eat the bigger number, and over here the bigger number is 12. So the hungry crocodile is going to eat the number 12 and its mouth will be open in this direction. Clear? So the symbol, which symbol will come? Less than symbol will come over here. Okay? So right now we are going to compare group B and group C now. So as you already know that the number 12 is here and the number 7 is here. So which number is greater? Very good, number 12. And the hungry crocodile is going to eat the number 12 and its mouth will be open in this direction. Clear? So we are going to write down this symbol over here, as you can see, and we are going to say that 10 is less than 12 and 12 is greater than 7. Now let's find out more than and less than for two groups. We are going to tell you one thing very important. Remember the word greater than. If you remember greater than is the same as more than. But we use greater than to compare two numbers and we use more than to compare two groups. Do remember that, then the concept will be more clear to you guys. If you remember the first example which I told you, example of birds and animals. Remember that example? Okay, we can just check out this example of birds and monkey example. Well, my dear students, we already did this example before. We have how many birds in group A? 4 birds. And how many animals over here in this group? B. In group B we have 3 animals. We will write the symbol over here, as you already know that. So we are going to write down which symbol? This symbol over here, and that is greater than symbol. So we can say that, what we can say that we have already written the symbol, that is 4 is greater than 3. We have already written. But when we are comparing two numbers, I will say that the number 4 is greater than the number 3. But if I will compare the groups, then I will say that group A is more than group B. Is it clear to you guys? Okay, no worries. Let me tell you one more thing in another example kind of thing. I can say one more thing, because in saying we can change the direction. When we are going to say that, we can change the direction. But if we are going to write down the symbol, we cannot change the direction, because in your paper or in your question, whenever you are going to get the questions in your worksheet or whatever, you are going to write down the symbol, and the symbol will be open from where the greater number will be. Okay, so we cannot change the direction of the mouth, otherwise the concept will be wrong. But we can say that from our mouth, because of our conceptual understanding, that the number 3 is less than the number 4. Clear? And the symbol we have used over here, this is greater than symbol. But we can say that in other way we can say that the 3 is less than, because if we are going to stand on number 3, then I can say that 3 is less than the number 4. But we are going to compare the groups. So I can say that group A is more than group B, or I can say that group B is less than group A. Now students, let's do one more example for more practice. Okay, check this group now. How many footballs are here in group A? Very good. These are 10 footballs. And how many footballs are there in group B? Very good. Count and tell me. Yes, these are 15 footballs. So the number 10 is over here in group A and the number 15 is over here in the group B. So which number is greater? First of all, you are going to decide which symbol will come over here. As you all know that the number 15 is a bigger number, so the crocodile is going to eat the bigger number. Which symbol will come over here? Very good, this symbol will come. So we are going to say that the group A is less than the group B. Well, in other words, we can say that the group B is more than the group A. Hope more than and less than concepts are clear to you now, as well as the symbols and comparison of groups is also more easy for you people now. We'll get back to you for more videos. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.